In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Deliveroo discount code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Deliveroo discount code. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of any purchase, simply tap on this promotion and the promo code will show up. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get this 10% discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have, if you scroll down a little bit, we have this option, this website which is called Glamour Magazine, and as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that provide us some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get, let's say this one with £10 discount right here, all you need to do is select show discount option right here. And for this one, as you can see, there is no voucher code required. All you need to do is simply select this option, continue to the deal, and you'll be redirected to the website, and that discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.